Hi, I'm Aneesa. Welcome to our channel, Offbeet Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today we're here in the Offbeet kitchen and I'm going to be sharing with you, by popular demand, my gourmet oatmeal recipe. And I'll be taking you through it step by step. So the oatmeal that we're going to be making is caramelized banana and peanut butter oatmeal. And what I like to do is start off with getting my banana on the pan. So what I do is I cut it in half like this, and then I get it on the pan to start caramelizing. So I'll show you that in a second. And just keep in mind that I want to use a non-stick pan and I don't oil it or anything like that. So I've got my bananas going on the pan here. I've got it set at medium-high heat on my non-stick pan, no oil or anything like that. And I'll wait for that to cook. Meanwhile, I'm going to start making my oatmeal. So I've got half a cup of quick oats here. You can certainly use other types of oats, but I don't really have time during the week for steel cut and all that. And I'm very happy with the quick oats, so that's what I use. And then I use 1 cup of liquid. Here I'm using water, but you could certainly use a combination of water and your favorite plant milk. Sometimes I do half and half, so half a cup of whether it's oat milk or almond milk, and then the other half of regular water. So it just depends on what you have on hand. Then I'll go ahead and season up the oats. So I do like to use a pinch of salt, using Himalayan salt here. Might sound kind of weird, but it gives it a nice balance of flavor, and it kind of just, again, gives it good seasoning. And then I use 1/4 teaspoon, maybe a little over 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You could add vanilla in there if you wanted as well. And then I just give it a stir up. And I really like eating oatmeal every day for at least one of my meals, whether it's breakfast or lunch. I know lunch sounds really funny to a lot of people, but often in the morning, if you guys follow us on Instagram, you'll know that I don't really love having like a big breakfast. I have like my warm, cozy, vegan hot chocolate. Check out our recipe. We'll have that linked below as well if you want that. And then for lunch, that's when I'm ready for a real meal. So that's when I have my oatmeal. And the oatmeal is great, whether again you have it for breakfast or lunch, because it is packed full of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and soluble fiber, and a lot of other great things that keep you going throughout the day, and it keeps you feeling really full. All right, so I've got my oatmeal in here, I've got my bananas around, and now I'm gonna go in for the toppings, which are super important. I'm gonna break up some pecans. You can certainly use other types of nuts, but I really like the pecans on here. And I've got my dates that are all chopped up, so I'm going to get those on here as well. I use 1 beautiful medjool date that adds lovely texture and sweetness. I'm going to put my maple syrup. I just use a teaspoon, really, not even a whole teaspoon, I don't think. Because the bananas are caramelized, it has so much sweetness already. And now getting on there with the peanut butter. And you know, peanut butter and banana are like the best of friends, so I definitely recommend the peanut butter here. And then, just to make it look pretty, a little sprinkling of flaked coconut. This is unsweetened, of course. Just adds a little something. And that is the gourmet oatmeal. So I am so excited to try this, and I say try, but I eat this like every single day. I know what it tastes like, but it's my favorite thing in the world. So here we go. So good. You have to make this. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks again for joining us. As always, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment below with any video ideas that you have. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.